Bakit kaya marami pa ring Pilipino ang nagtatrabaho buong buhay nila hanggang sa tumanda na pero hirap pa rin sa buhay? Hindi dahil kulang sila sa sipag, kundi dahil kulang tayo sa financial literacy. Sa statistics, alam mo ba noong 2024, 40 million Filipinos naglalaro ng Bingo Plus habang 2.8 million Filipino users lang ang nag-i-invest sa stock market. Grabe. Today, I'll share 5 reasons kung bakit dapat mag-invest ang mga Pilipino sa stock market as early as now. Hindi bukas, hindi next year, kundi ngayon. Game. Reason number 1. Inflation is stealing your money. Kung nasa savings lang ang pera mo, lumiliit ang value nito every year. Habang tumataas ang presyo ng pagkain, kuryente at gasolina, ang pera mo sa bangko halos hindi gumagalaw. Ang stocks, kapag tama ang approach mo, may chance na malampasan ang inflation long term. Reason number 2. Time is your greatest advantage. Mas maaga kang mag-invest, mas mahaba ang panahon ng compounding. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking capital. Oras ang tunay na yaman mo dito. Even small, consistent investments today can become big results in the future. Reason number 3. You become a business owner, not just an employee. Kapag bumibili ka ng stocks, hindi ka sumusugal. Nagiging part owner ka ng negosyo. Companies like banks, malls, utilities, lahat yan gumagalaw kahit natutulog ka. You shift from working for money to letting money work for you. Reason number 4. The Philippine market is still full of opportunity. Maraming takot sa stock market kaya konti pa lang ang investor sa Pilipinas. For long-term thinkers, that's not bad news. That's opportunity. The earlier you understand the fundamentals, the better positioned you are in the future. Reason number 5. Financial peace, not just profit. Investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about peace of mind. Kapag may investment ka, hindi ka takot mawalan ng trabaho, hindi ka pressured sa utang, at mas may control ka sa future mo. Kung gusto mong matuto mag-invest sa Philippine stock market step by step, lalo na kung beginner ka, check out mo yung Truly Rich Club. They teach long-term investing, fundamentals, at paano mag-isip like a true investor, hindi sugalero. Link nandyan sa description or pinned comment or DM me for more info. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Nag-i-invest ako para sa future ko. See you in the next video. God bless.